Welcome to this video on creating workflows in OMIQ. All analysis in OMIQ occurs within workflows, which contain individual units of analysis called tasks. Tasks are building blocks of functionality and operations that work on data. These tasks are arranged in a hierarchical structure, providing a clear visualization of the data analysis pipeline. A workflow has access to the data within the dataset, including file names, metadata, and feature names. To create your first workflow, click Create a Workflow and enter a name. When you begin a new workflow, OMIQ automatically adds tasks such as compensation or scaling, depending on your data. You can configure a task through its dedicated page by clicking Open to view. Each task page has different settings relevant to that operation. In this scaling example, you can edit thresholds and see real-time updates. The arrow allows you to add new tasks to the workflow. OMIQ offers a whole range of tasks, such as preprocessing, gating, dimensionality reduction, clustering, and more. As workflows become more complex, they are locked at specific critical points to protect the dependencies within a workflow. It's possible to override some locks, but be careful not to cause problems downstream. In this example, the workflow proceeds from data preprocessing to dimension reduction, clustering, differential statistical analysis, and visualization to interpret results. You can quickly review the results by navigating to the Results tab of the task page. If you want to corroborate your results or try a different approach, you can use the dupe option to create a branch in your workflow. You can also add more detail to your OMIQ workflow using the Tags and Notes tab. Click Edit Workflow Tags and type in your desired keyword and corresponding value. To add more rows, click Add Row. Click Submit. Now you can use filters on the Workflows page to search by that tag. Notes functions similarly to a lab notebook, where you can record your notes about the particular workflow. Once you've created your workflow, you can easily share it with collaborators, selecting from roles such as reader or editor. OMIQ also gives you the ability to make templates from your workflows and save them for future use, or quickly and easily export your results and figures for presentation. The workflow will remain saved in the Workflows tab of its related dataset for easy access. And that's a rapid introduction to creating workflows in OMIQ. To learn more, visit omiq.ai.